Good sit.
Oh, and Oliver needs a treat too.
But we're not training him right now.
I don't want him to feel left out.
Come on, Oliver. Let's go for a walk.
You're bringing Daisy too, right?
Yeah. Good girl, Daisy. What?
And Oliver.
Oh, right. Good boy, Oliver.
I feel like I just have to ask, do you have a favorite?
No, of course not.
It's okay, I'm not gonna freak out. You can tell me.
Really? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool, because I've totally got a favorite. And since you won't freak out, he said it was okay.
It was a trick question.